Hello everyone, this is Jackie Jia with China. Alipay is hands down the most convenient payment app you'll use in China. It's far better than WeChat Pay. In China's cashless society, not knowing how to use Alipay can make daily life quite difficult. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through everything, from downloading and registering the app to actually using it for payments. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Alipay. And if you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll reply to every one of them. Before we begin, make sure you have your phone number and passport ready, as Alipay requires both for verification. Don't worry and don't feel overwhelmed. I'll walk you through everything with patience, step by step. Just follow along with this video and you'll succeed. First, we need to download Alipay. If you're using an Android phone, you can search for Alipay in the Google Play Store or any other app store you use. If you're using an iPhone, simply download it from the Apple App Store. Taking the first step is super easy, right? If you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and do it now. After downloading and installing the app, open Alipay. On the home page, enter your phone number to start the registration process. First, select your country code, then input your phone number. Once entered, click Next. At this point, you'll need to agree to Alipay's terms of service and privacy policy. If you don't agree, you won't be able to register. Next, you'll see a graphic verification step similar to a Google CAPTCHA. You'll need to shake your phone vigorously to pass the verification. Once it's successful, Alipay will send you a registration code via SMS. Enter the code and your registration will be complete. When I first tried registering, I used a virtual Google Voice phone number but couldn't receive the verification code. It seems Alipay blocks these types of numbers. If you're unable to receive the code on your phone, you can opt to register via email instead, which is another simple way to successfully complete the registration process. Once you've completed registration, the first step is to select your passport country. Choose the country that issued your passport. For this demonstration, I'll randomly select one. After making your selection, you'll be directed to Alipay's homepage. The next step is to add a bank card. Alipay supports 6 payment channels. First, you'll need to set a 6-digit payment password, which you'll be required to enter every time you make a transaction. Alternatively, you can later enable face recognition or fingerprint authentication to replace manual password entry. To add a bank card, I'll use my MasterCard as an example. Enter the card number, CVC, and expiration date, then click Next. The only potential issue here is the 3DS verification process, where you'll need to authorize the card for security purposes. If your bank card doesn't support 3DS, you might not be able to complete the card linking process. After authorizing my card, I successfully linked it to Alipay. When you follow the video and successfully link your bank card, give yourself a pat on the back. There's just one final step left. It's a simple but essential step. At this point, your account is still inactive for payments as you need to complete KYC, Know Your Customer verification. To do this, click on Account, then click on the profile icon at the top. Next, select Identity Verification. Choose your country, then verify your passport. You can either manually input the information or use the photo scan feature to upload your passport details. Once this step is complete, Alipay will take some time to review your KYC. Once your verification is approved, congratulations. You are officially a part of China's cashless society. But wait, we're not done yet. I'm about to introduce a superstar known by almost every Chinese person to share 3 Alipay life hacks that will make traveling across China effortless. Don't miss it.
Scan and pay with Alipay. It's so good, it just be one of the highlights of your China trip.
夏老师，我有个外国朋友想来中国玩，你有什么特别地道的中文能教给他吗？
没问题，教你3句中国话，走遍中国都不怕。来人，把我的锦囊拿来。
先生你好，一共32块8。
你扫我还是我扫你？
我扫您。
锦囊妙计第1计，你扫我还是我扫你，是每个中国人在买东西结账时候的必备话术。付钱就用支付宝扫码，那才叫地道。支付宝首页按第1个之后就能扫别人的码，按第2个就是出示付款码，让别人扫你。只要见到店里有支付宝的2维码就能支付。
请大家扫码上车，往里走，里边有空位啊。
师傅，我扫了啊。 在中国，乘坐公交车可以直接刷乘车码，不用带零钱投币就能乘车。用支付宝坐车，您就说“师傅，我扫了啊”，司机师傅立刻就能知道你这老外一点不老外。用支付宝点这里之后，就能刷码付车费。除了乘公交、坐地铁、打车，甚至骑共享单车，都可以用支付宝搞定。这就是第二条锦囊妙计。
甩过几位，你们随便坐嘛。
就我一位，是扫这个码点餐吗？
对头，用支付宝扫这儿就可以了。
在中国的餐厅吃饭，用支付宝扫码就能点菜。不知道吃什么，不知道每道菜是什么，都没关系，都有图片示意。扫码之后慢慢看。第三条锦囊妙计，是扫这个码点餐吗？您这么一问，就绝对行家。以上3条锦囊妙计，记得交给你要来中国的外国朋友。
看。
怎么样，学废了吗？
学废了，学废了。
你们呢？今天学废了吗？